Hello everyone, this is Gaither Stevens from Gulf Coast Partnership, and I am showing people how to add case notes to a client. I just want to make sure everybody knows the proper way to do this, and so I'll be demonstrating that in this YouTube video. So first, once you're in Client Point, you can go to a particular client. Let's say we go to our test client, Fred Flintstone, and what we're going to want to do is go to Case Plans, and then we are going to want to add a goal. So the first thing you're going to want to do is under Classification, choose Case Management. Under Type, you're going to want to choose Notes. Now the only other item that you have to select is Overall Status, and I recommend choosing Delivered. And then go to the bottom and choose Add Goal. And it's going to kind of do a little bit of work for you, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, and you've got two options here. You can enter your first case note by clicking on the Add Case Note button, and we can type a case note in here. And when you're done, click Save Case Note. And you could actually add more case notes from this same screen, or you can just click Save and Exit, and you will see the case note show up right here. Now, if I want to add a new case note, I do not add another goal. I need to make that very clear. This is not adding multiple goals every time you do a note. If you already have a case management classification with a note, all you need to do is click on the note icon and then add case note from the screen that pops up. Save the case note, and you will see it populate on the screen as the second one. And then when you're done, all you have to do is click the close button, the top right hand corner. Now, as you can see, there are two case notes. And again, I come back into the client. I want to add another case note. I look and I see, oh, look, case management, type, notes. Someone's already started case notes, so I just click on the notes icon and I add case note. Save case note, close it, so on and so forth. The only time you will add goal and it will click on the add goal for the case note is the initial case note. So again, always look for the case management type notes. If it's there, just click on the note icon. And as you can see, it's got a little 3 symbol because there are 3 notes, or you can hover over it and it'll say notes 3. Now, if you want to, you can just click on the note and then print, and it'll print you out a nice summary of all the notes, the provider, the user creating. If you, as an agency administrator, have set up a case manager, then you can select a case manager here. If you want to select that for the note, that's possible as well. But this is the basics of doing the case notes. You do them here under Case Plans tab. Add a goal for the first note, and then after that, for additional notes, you just click on the note icon. And when you're done, you click Exit. You can log out of the system, and you are done.